back from Green Bay, 16-13. Blizzard with the early lead. You do see it right. There are flying donuts coming down onto the crowd. Part of a, oh, there's a donut on the field. There is still a donut on the field, ladies and gentlemen. They got to get him off. Well, that is what happens in indoor football. Slowly making his way off.
Well, the donut's getting plenty of screen time, so it'll be nice to watch back later for him.
Shout out to Dunkin Donuts. Well, here we go. 2nd down and 7. Start of the second quarter is upon us.